What is going on, everybody? I'm hoping y'all having a great day. My name is Josh, and today in this video I'm going to be explaining and giving you the best advice when it comes to starting out day trading, the future sector, specifically when it comes to prop firm trading, guys. So a little bit about myself. I've been trading the stock market in a whole for about 11 years, but I'm specifically in the future sector for about going on 5 years. What I've learned is it's easier to make a small amount of money a day, every single day consistently, than it is to make home runs every day consistently. Now, you see these videos, these shorts on YouTube, people making $5,000 a day, $20,000 a day. Yes, it's possible, but you can't do that every single day. So what I have up here is going off of 5 accounts. So when you're trading prop firms, you can trade 1 account, you can trade 2 accounts, 3. Some firms like Apex and Elite Trader can give you the amount of 20 accounts you can trade. I specifically deal with Take Profit Trader, and you can trade up to 5 accounts. That's why I have 5 up here. So instead of swinging for the fence and risking your portfolio, risking your evaluation, risking your pro account, your PA account, aim small. Don't aim for the fence. So these numbers here, let's just say if you make $400 a day, which is very, very, very much capable, guys. All you need to do is trade 1 account, make your $400, right? And when you're copy trading multiple accounts, that's going to go across every single account. So if you do 400 a day and you're copy trading 5 accounts, you're going to make per day $2,400. Now that is a lot of money to make in one day. Like I said, I know people see these YouTube shorts or whatever you watch, and they have people making tons of money a day. But you also have to realize is how long have they been trading? They might have some really bad days and then like a really, really great day. So just to avoid you having to buy evaluation after evaluation, resetting it, getting funded, getting a day or 2 in and then blowing it because you're shooting for the stars. Don't shoot for the stars, guys. It's more manageable to make a very small amount, which $400 a day is a very small amount when it comes to trading futures. So $400 a day at 5 accounts, that's $2,400 per day. Now, if you do that consistently, which is very much manageable, guys, you will make $12,000 per week. Now, $12,000 per week, turn that into a month, and that's $48,000 in 1 month. Now, I don't know what field you can go into without some type of college degree, like a nurse or a doctor or a lawyer, which take years and years of college and hundreds of thousands of dollars in tuition. You can do this. It's so simple, guys. So $48,000 a month equals $576,000 a year. That is $500,000 a year. Now, with that being said, you don't take that home. So with this amount, we're going to do the percentages on just this amount, $576,000 a year. 20%, most likely it's going to be 20%, will go to your prop firm. Now, Elite Trader funding, when you're in the pro account, they take 20%, but when you get pushed to the Pro Plus, it's 10%. So this number will change depending on the percentage that you have to pay your prop firm. But just for this example, we're going to do 20% of $576,000. Comes out to be, you take away from there in 1 year, $460,800. That's really great. But then you also have taxes. So what you want to do is every week or every time you make a withdrawal, you want to take roughly 40% of your earnings that get deposited into your bank account. You want to take that 40%. So with the total sum of $460,800, 40% of that is $184,320. So at the end of the year, if, let's just say, you every day, hypothetically, you make $400 a day across 5 accounts, your take home after the prop firm's percentage and after Uncle Sam takes his up to 40%. Now that is based on other factors, but I'm just going to put the high number at 40%. You're going to take home $276,480 a year. Now that number will change based off of what state you live in and based off of, did you make $400 a day? Did you make $350 a day? Did you make $600? Did you luck up and, hey, you made $1,000 a day? If you made $1,000 a day across 5 accounts, that's $5,000. So what I do personally, I aim for $400 across my 5 take profit accounts, guys. And if whatever your key is to the market, to trading, whatever your edge is, whether it's a scalper or holding the whole day, or whatever your trading strategy, or if you're brand new to trading futures and prop firms, 400 is very simple. Now I'm not going to say it's close your eyes and click the button and it's going to say, well, great, $400. It's going to take a little bit of work to get to that point to where you can consistently make 400, but it's way easier to make $400 than it is to shoot for the stars every day, because that's what I did when I first started trading prop firms. Actually, I started with my own money. That didn't work out too well because I didn't know what I was doing. But even a beginner trader can make 400 a day, right? So this is the key, guys. This is the best advice I can give a beginner trader, and also maybe some seasoned traders who may want to try this. I know a lot of people do copy trade accounts, so I'm specifically talking to beginner trader guys, beginner traders. Aim small, gradually grow your account, build it up over time, and you will succeed. You won't blow funded accounts. You won't be resetting eval after eval. Even this will work on an evaluation. Let's say if you have to make $1,500 within a week, just shoot for $300 a day. You don't have to make the $1,500 in one day and pass it like Apex and Elite Trader Funding. You can pass it in one day. If you pass it in one day, that's great. But if you're just slow learning, make $100 a day. Make $300 a day. Build that, whatever your profit target is for 5 days trading, divide that into 5 and make that a day. You don't have to shoot for the stars, guys. Trust me, I've been doing prop firms for, like I said, roughly 5 years. And the amount of money that I spent on, we call it tuition, right? The amount of money I spent on tuition, on prop firm tuition, I wish I would have grasped this concept beforehand, or somebody told me about this beforehand. I would have saved a lot of heartache. I'd be a multi-millionaire by now if that was the case, guys. So if you're starting day one, or even if you're a couple months into the journey and you just want to shoot for the stars, shoot for the stars. Take this advice from me, guys, and utilize it. It will not fail you. I promise you. 400 a day. Even if you just wanted to do $200 a day, that's great. Just divide. If you was going to make $200 a day, just take your 276 right here, $276,000 per year. Divide that into 2, because instead of making 400, you want to make 200 a day. You will take home $138,000 just for sitting at your computer for 5-10 minutes. Now, yes, you do have to do some technical analysis. You have to kind of look at the charts. You have to know what you're doing. You learn how to read the candles. But it's the moral of the story is aim small, and you can take home $138,000 after taxes and after the prop firm gets their money, guys. It's easy as that. I'm trying to give you the best advice that I know how to, and this by far is the best advice when it comes to day trading, prop firms, multiple accounts. Of course, we all want the $300,000 account, which we can trade up to 35 positions, and we can make $20,000 in one day. I've made $20,000 in one day personally on a funded account. but it doesn't happen often. I also blow accounts left and right. It just, you have to take the good with the bad, but if you aim small, you miss small. If you shoot for 200, if you shoot for 400, hey, if you even want to shoot for 100, you can make 60,000 in a year, 70,000 in a year, guys. Please take this advice. Don't waste money on resets. Don't waste money on blowing pro accounts, blowing PA accounts, and getting agitated with yourself. And a lot of people give up. Like, I have several friends that just gave up on doing the trading. So that's what I got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, man. And like I said in the beginning, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the algorithms. And I am finally monetized by YouTube after a year of struggling and getting the views and getting the subs and all that great stuff, man. I appreciate everybody watching and subbing and commenting. And hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. Like I said, take this advice and utilize it. Don't shoot for the stars, guys. With that being said, I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.